Hey Cartoons family, did you know some cars can lose up to 64.5% of their value in just 5 years? Imagine dropping $100,000 on a sleek ride only to watch it lose over $90,000 in no time. Crazy, right? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the biggest car buying regrets of 2025 and how you can steer clear of them. Plus, we'll share some insider tips to help you make smarter choices. Welcome back to Cartoons, where we mix cars and facts to keep your drive alive. In 2025, owning the right car is all about satisfaction, reliability, and making sure you're not getting ripped off. Let's talk about which cars bring joy and which might leave you singing the blues. Stick around for the full breakdown, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. All right, let's kick things off with some stats. Recent studies show that the Maserati Quattroporte leads the pack in value loss, depreciating a jaw-dropping 64.5% over 5 years. That's a $150,000 luxury sedan sinking to just $53,000. Ouch! Not far behind are the BMW 7 Series and Maserati Ghibli with similar losses. These high-end cars are stunning but come with high maintenance costs and resale challenges, making them tough investments for the average buyer. On the flip side, cars like the Toyota Tacoma and Jeep Wrangler are value retention champs, dropping only about 30% in 5 years. Whether it's for their rugged appeal, off-road capability, or sheer reliability, these vehicles keep owners smiling. So ask yourself, does this car fit my lifestyle and will it still excite me in a few years? Beyond depreciation, think about reliability. Brands like Toyota and Honda consistently top the charts for owner satisfaction. Vehicles like the Honda CR-V and Toyota Corolla deliver not just solid performance but also peace of mind with fewer unexpected repair bills. Investing in a dependable ride can save you money and frustration down the line. Now for the number one regret of 2025, choosing cars that depreciate fast or don't fit the driver's needs. Let's take the Nissan Leaf, for example. While it's one of the most affordable electric vehicles on the market, its rapid depreciation, driven by evolving EV tech and pricey battery replacements, leaves many owners disheartened. And then there's the story of buyers grabbing a rear-wheel drive Chevy Camaro in snowy states. Spoiler alert, not the best idea unless you're into ice skating on your commute. Another common regret? Overlooking total ownership costs. Luxury brands like Land Rover may turn heads, but their maintenance bills can break the bank. Imagine buying a car that looks like a dream only to find out you're spending thousands on repairs within a year. One owner shared how they traded theirs in after just a year due to repair nightmares. It's a harsh reminder that reliability matters just as much as aesthetics. Speaking of regrets, let's not forget buyers who skip test drives or fail to research their options thoroughly. A quick test drive can reveal whether a car truly meets your comfort and performance expectations. Don't just buy a car because it looks cool in photos. Take it for a spin and see if it fits your lifestyle. So, how do you avoid these mistakes? Here's the Cartoons checklist. 1. Research depreciation trends. Tools like Kelley Blue Book and JD Power can help you spot winners and losers. Look into models that consistently retain value, such as the Subaru Outback or Ford F-150 for solid investments. 2. Pick reputable brands. Subaru and Lexus are fan favorites for reliability and low maintenance costs. Lexus's luxury vehicles, like the RX SUV, combine comfort with durability, giving you the best of both worlds. 3. Match your needs. Ask yourself, does this car suit your daily drive, family size, and even weather conditions? A little foresight can save you big headaches. For example, if you live in a snowy region, prioritize all-wheel drive options. Also consider newer trends like hybrids or plug-in hybrids. Models such as the Toyota Prius Prime or Hyundai Ioniq mix innovation with practicality. They're fuel-efficient, environmentally friendly, and hold their value better than many traditional gas-powered cars. Finally, don't overlook certified pre-owned options. These vehicles often come with extended warranties and have been thoroughly inspected, giving you peace of mind without the steep price tag of a new car. Remember, buying a car isn't just about looks or price, it's an investment in your daily life. Being informed about depreciation, reliability, and owner satisfaction means fewer regrets and more happy miles. Don't just buy a car, buy the right car for you and your needs. Think long-term, consider your budget, and choose wisely to avoid the heartbreak of buyer's remorse. The right car can bring years of joy, whether it's tackling off-road adventures, cruising city streets, or saving you money at the gas pump. Take your time, do your homework, and make a decision that leaves you confident and excited about your ride. So, what's your biggest car buying regret? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear your stories. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more car buying tips. Until next time, keep those engines roaring and tunes blasting.